birds here? Do you ever listen to birds?
Caw, caw.
Birds make sounds like quack, quack, and cheep, cheep. Here's one I really like. Tweet, tweet. Next time you listen to birds, see how many sounds you can hear.